Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to watch Twitch or how to stream on Twitch on your Hisense Smart TV. When the video is full, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So to stream on Twitch on Hisense Smart TV, the first step is to make sure the application is installed. So I have the application already installed here and I can just go ahead and launch it. But assuming that you don't have the application installed, the first thing we need to do then is to install the application, which is simple. Just come back to your app store and it will look the same like mine. And that's why I'm confident that if you follow this should work. And in the search box, you're going to type in the name application that we're looking for. In this case, it's the Twitch app. So just click on it and here's it over here. Since I already have it installed, once I click OK, it's just going to go ahead and launch on our Hisense Smart TV. So the application is going to open and we're going to see creators who are live and creators who are creating content. There are lots of them. So you can just choose which one you want to stream and click on OK and start watching without any problem. So for instance, if I want to watch any content here, I'll just click on it and then I'll click OK and start watching on my Hisense Smart TV. So that's it. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.